Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Park Life. To begin, each player chooses a color and takes their corresponding player board and starting tokens. Place the main game board in the center of your playing area. Shuffle the attraction and event card decks separately, placing them face down in their designated spots. Distribute 5 coins to each player to start their park building journey. The player who most recently visited a park goes first. During your turn, you have 2 primary actions. Either build a new attraction or draw an event card. Building an attraction involves paying its coin cost and placing it onto an available space on your player board. Each attraction has a unique visitor appeal value. Drawing an event card introduces a dynamic element, often requiring players to make immediate decisions or adapt their strategies. Remember to manage your coins wisely. To succeed in Park Life, consider building attractions that complement each other, creating powerful combinations for higher visitor appeal. Strategic placement on your player board can also unlock bonus points. Always keep an eye on your coin reserves. A strong economy allows for more building opportunities. Don't forget to observe your opponent's progress and adjust your plans to outmaneuver them for the win. Aim for a diverse and attractive park. For those looking to deepen their Park Life experience, experiment with different attraction types and their unique scoring conditions. Some attractions might offer endgame bonuses, so plan ahead. You can also introduce optional rules or expansion packs to add new layers of strategy and replayability. Ultimately, the player who has accumulated the most visitor appeal points by the game's conclusion will be crowned the winner. Have fun building your dream park.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.